Hey, good morning, everybody. Hope you're all doing well today on this beautiful Thursday. Yeah, I got some cleaning up to do. Winter's coming. He's having lunch. It's 12 o'clock or 12:30, I think. At 12:30, lunch hour, chow time. So it's kind of funny. Family's been here for 50 years, and this bank here, you can never do anything with it because it's so steep. So my mother just always wanted to do something with this bank. Well, raspberry bushes took this bank over too. So we're just going to clean out along here, the level part. This is part of the lawn. Get the little trees out of there. We're just going to let the raspberries take over this whole embankment. So there, we got a raspberry patch. That's what the embankment's going to be from now on. And funny thing is, when my mother was living, there was nothing would ever grow there. It was just garbage, like weeds and stuff. And it was hard to keep maintained. I let it go for a couple of years and it turns into raspberries. Huh. So we have to unload the truck today. I'll get all these buckets out after. Just need this bucket for now, because we're going to load the truck out, trailer up here in a bit with whatever we can out of this mess down here. Actually, we're getting this, and that today. So these things here are all going today, the big things on this side. And on this side, we're going to take as much of the small stuff out of here as we can. Should be able to get it all pretty much on the trailer today. That's going. And then we'll get some stuff off there, put on the trailer. And this place should be pretty cleaned up. Start hauling more stuff in. So, I say a little shred, I might get, what, 30 to 50 bucks maybe for the load of shred. So that ain't worth driving all the way in the city, because that's just gas money for the truck. Ram 1500, 5.7 liter Hemi here, Magnum. Goes for fuel. That piece of copper I gotta clean off. So, what we're up to is finishing off a couple little things in here. This is all brass that we got last night, sorted out, cleaned up, and copper, the noodles and stuff. There and there, there's between 40 and 60 bucks right there of copper and brass. That whole truck and trailer is gonna be 40 to 60 bucks of shred. That's two little buckets. They were more than a truck and trailer loaded. Scary stuff. So now today I gotta clean this out. And that's gonna be about it for cleaning stuff up. There's another piece of copper that I gotta bring in. And yeah, we found this box side of the road with some, there we go, with some copper and brass in it from a, what do you call it, furnace. There's another piece there. I gotta get the plastic coating. I'll probably burn it off. This is the only good piece. Now that's all steel. So that's what we're gonna do today, and we won't bore you, but we'll bring you back when we have the truck loaded, because they were loaded. They were busy in the shop for yard there the day before yesterday when we went in, so we couldn't even film the offload. So you didn't see the load that went in. So we'll be back with you shortly. Hey, I'm back. Alrighty. So there's the buckets. Right there. There's our number 2 copper and our number 1 brass. Be surprised how much that's worth. And nothing in the back of the truck. They didn't have nothing to put in here, believe it or not. All that stuff there has to be gone through. It's just a bunch of garbage with a lot of it. But we got all big stuff loaded on. That's all gone. All that's left here is stuff that has to be processed. All that stuff, either copper, aluminum, brass, or a combination. And some wires, whatnot. That rack, and I got a piece of down there, that's all aluminum. So we'll clean that up, take that apart. That's got a brass fitting on it. Big piece of brass, take that off. We were originally gonna take it with us, so we noticed that. And we'll leave the 2 pieces of metal there, and that's a aluminum chair in there, aluminum chair down there. A couple of them, so we'll get them cut up. And we'll get that barrel loaded on for Saturday morning, get that out of here, the oil barrel. So yeah, we got a bit of a load on here. I didn't bother cutting that regulator off. It's just not worth it. So, before getting confused, and you watched my last video, you've seen that the part where I recorded the slip got cut off because of a problem with the GoPro, the Wade and Page slips. So before we get into town and get Wade and Page for this load, we'll do Wednesday's load. This is, no, Tuesday's load. This is Thursday, yeah. So this is the last video's load, Tuesdays, Wade and Paid. For shred, there was a problem with the scale when I went on. When I came back in, they said I only had 100 pounds and the back of the truck was full. Yeah, so we said on 1,000 pounds. They were quite cooperative. $9 ton, $45 for the shred. Aluminum copper reds, $1.56 a pound. I had 21 pounds for $32.76. Yellow brass, 4 pounds at 2.51 cents a pound for $10.04. Copper number 2, 7 pounds, $3.92 a pound for $27.44. Insulated number 2, the crap wire, is down to $1.26 a pound now. 14 pounds for $17.64 for a grand total of $133 for Wednesday's haul or Tuesday's haul. So I figure I've probably got about $70 to $90 worth of stuff here today. So we'll see what happens. And we're going to try to get back into the shop there if they haven't changed the locks on us because we left it. See if we get some more of that scrap out of there. That's why I brought our buckets out and I brought the hand dolly with me. So we will see you at the scrapyard if we can record. See you in a bit. Alrighty, I'm that guy today. I'm here at the scrapyard at the very last minute. I unloaded my non-ferrous first, the small scale, because I was afraid that I'd not have time to unload. And rather be stuck with $15, $20 for the shred than whatever we're getting for the non-ferrous, which is definitely more than 20 or 30 bucks. It's been a day, guys. Rush coming in, get behind every slow driver you get behind on the road. I mean, like 20 clicks under the speed limit, no passing lanes. That's what happens whenever you run late. Somebody's going to make you later. Well, today was a whole bunch of somebodies. They suck monkey balls. Didn't say that. Oh, ouch. I'm not expecting too much on this load here for shred. I just threw a couple things on just to get things moving out of my yard. Oh, wait, a little piece of cast. I mean, oh, I didn't let it get all there. Yeah, that stuff. Cast aluminum, that's what I was looking for, a big word. All right. Say, very fellow one today. Woohoo! That was well planned. Not. Do not do this at home, kids. Cut my cord off there before I go. Come on, you can get up there. Get behind him. It's still on it. Troublemaker. Whew. All right, guys. We'll see when we get weighed and paid. Ouch. Alrighty, guys. We got into the shop here again. See if we can take some more of the stuff out for us. We're already in town, so we'll pick it up on the way home. It's right on the way. All that stuff's number 1 on the ferrous, so we'll grab that. We'll, grab our barrels. I'm gonna grab that sink too. That's for the I got one up there at the shack already. You put a grate across it and draining the compressors out. There's a compressor in here too I can load up. We'll take this out. Take that if we got room and time. But yeah, just sheets the aluminum there. Take that with me. So yeah, that's what we're doing, guys. Anyhow, what are you waiting paid for today? I guess between 60 and 80 is pretty much right in it. So, yellow brass, 13 pounds. $2.51 a pound, $32.63. Number 2 copper, 5 pounds, $3.92 a pound, $19.60. Shred, 460 pounds, $20.70. I guess 20 bucks. That was pretty close, wasn't I, guys? For a total of $73. All right, guys. We're gonna get this all loaded up, and you'll probably see the load in the morning on tomorrow's video or the next video, whatever, whenever. All right, guys. I'll take care. Thank you for being here, and don't forget to subscribe. I need the numbers. Take care, guys. God bless.